Yes, so in a crisis time, it's important if we need to cut budget to cut it on the right place. Yeah, so by the landlord, for example, it's quite a place where we can discuss and find a solution. But an error that I see often, most often, is by the small companies. They check where can I cut the fastest way, and then they think, oh, by the marketing, that's easy, I can just stop. But that's the exact opposite of what we should do, because if we have less business coming in or the client have problem to pay, meaning we need to bring more new clients, and the new clients, they come through your marketing. And so SEO, online marketing, social media, that's all on the marketing. So that's the place where you should invest more in order to compensate this loss that you have right now. Otherwise, you're going into a downward spiral. Yeah, so you advertise less, so you get less result, and then because you have less result, you will advertise again less, and it goes in a downward spiral where suddenly you have nothing and you go to bankruptcy. Yeah. So crisis means invest more in your marketing. If the money is not there, then get resourceful, find other ways, make phone call, make things that cost nearly nothing, do some work yourself, but do more, not less. Yeah. That's the thing I have to say about investment and related to SEO, marketing, etc. Yeah.